were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star you fade.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I slay my brows, like my 2019 upgraded, updated eyebrows. Like, this is 2019, you guys. We're about to slay our hair, our eyebrows, our makeup, our wigs, our outfit. Like, there's not even room for dulling, you guys. Like, no room, no space for dulling. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna be doing my brows for you guys, and I just realized that I don't even have an eyebrow tutorial on this channel. Like, that is crazy. Like, what have I been doing? Like, seriously. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right straight into this tutorial. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. Click on the bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Give me a thumbs up, you know. Support a sister. This is 2019. Support me. This year there's no room for bitterness, okay? We gotta love all with all our heart, okay? Anyways, back to the video. So for your perfect brows, we're gonna need a brow pomade. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate. If you do have a brow pencil, please go ahead with that. That's absolutely fine. I also have a spoolie and an angled brush to apply my pomade. I have a blending brush, concealer, the Elegant Pro concealer, and a setting powder, Laura Mercier setting powder. So I'm starting off with a clean set of brows. They are clean and wiped. Actually, we're supposed to trim our brows, but I don't have a razor right now, so I'll just keep through this whole process, and yeah. So first thing I have to do is to brush all the hairs together with my spoolie. Then I went into my pomade, and I'm going to draw a line on the bottom part of my brows and kind of give it like a little bit of arch, because I have a round face, so I need my brows to be arched. So give it a little bit of curve, and yeah, I went to the top part of my brows, did the same thing, drew a line and gave it a little bit of arch also, because I actually love my brows to be like curved, like not that curved but a little bit curved. So next, I'm just filling the middle part of my brows. Just filling all the empty spaces with the pomade or your pencil if you have a pencil. So for the front part of my brows, I'm gonna give like strokes to kind of mimic my natural hair, and I am going to brush that with my spoolie. So I also went into my concealer, did the same thing, gave like tiny strokes in front. This kind of just gives the illusion that that's your hair, kind of. So I did brush all of it together, and look how pretty it's looking. So I went into my concealer directly. I applied it the lower part of my eyes and also the top part of my brows. What am I saying? Also the top part of my brows. And into my angled brush, I started sculpting that. This is the most crucial part of your eyebrows, guys. You actually have to really sculpt your brows to make it look like the shape you want. Typically, if you want a straight brows, this is where you have to do it. If you want a curved, like arched brows, this is where you have to get the work done. So I'm using my blending brush now to just blend all of the concealer into my face. And yeah, so now I'm actually going to draw an invisible line so that my brows does not exceed that line. If it does, it means the brows are just like too fake. So I don't let my brows exceed that line. So just brushing the hairs together. So next I went into my setting powder to set the brows, you know, make sure the concealer doesn't like move or whatever. And yeah, we're done. So we're not done. I went into my brow gel from, I can remember, and I'm just going to put the link in the description box down below if you need it. And I'm just brushing the hairs together. Like this just gives like the finishing touches. Like it makes everything so slick, guys. So I'm just gonna repeat the whole process on my second brow. So just, you know, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. So this is how I achieve my eyebrows. Pretty simple, pretty basic, no stress needed. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.